Friends, I will introduce a great collection of screen protectors and camera lens protectors that fit perfectly for Google Pixel 6a. If you are ready, let's get started. Firstly, we start with JETech's screen and camera lens protector specially designed for Google Pixel 6a. This product highly protects your phone's screen and camera lens from unwanted scratches, abrasions and impacts. The camera lens protector with 99% light transmission guarantees the original resolution of every photo and video. Moreover, it is extremely easy to install. It comes with a tool that allows you to perfectly align the screen protector without leaving any bubbles. With this product, you will ensure that your every touch is quick and accurate while protecting your screen at the same time. Positive reviews. 1. The screen protector fits very well and is easy to apply. The camera lens protector also provides protection without affecting image quality. 2. Very clear and excellent touch sensitivity. The camera lens protector also protects from scratches. 3. The product is very simple to install and comfortable to use. It did not have any effect on my phone. I'm very satisfied. 4. A great protective set. Both screen and camera lens protectors are very high quality. 5. The screen protector fits perfectly. The camera lens protector does not affect the photo quality at all. Negative reviews. 1. The screen protector did not fit perfectly. There were gaps on the edges. The camera lens protector started to come off in a short time. 2. The screen protector shows fingerprints too much. The camera lens protector also clouded over time. 3. Bubbles formed during installation and were difficult to remove. The camera lens protector is also not very resistant to scratches. 4. The camera lens protector broke during installation. I did not find its durability sufficient. 5. The screen protector was scratched quickly and I hardly used the fingerprint sensor. Next up is Nuki's Triple Screen Protector Pack. Made of high-quality tempered glass, this protector is equipped with an oleophobic coating that prevents fingerprints and other contaminants. Thanks to its 9 hours hardness, it is highly resistant to scratches. Moreover, it is compatible with most phone cases thanks to the extra space left on the edges. Easy to install, fingerprint-free and super transparent. This screen protector offers a great user experience by protecting your phone's touch sensitivity. Positive reviews. 1. The 3-pack is a really great value. The quality of the glass is excellent and the screen protector is very durable. 2. Very easy to install. Screen protector fits perfectly. Fingerprints are hardly visible. 3. Very transparent and does not interfere. My phone is very protected. 4. Excellent product for the price, very scratch resistant and easy to clean. 5. The screen protector fits perfectly and is barely noticeable on my phone. Negative reviews. 1. It didn't fit perfectly on the edges, so some dust accumulates, did not meet my expectation. 2. The screen protector is very fragile, cracked on a small impact. I found it of poor quality. 3. The touch sensitivity has decreased a little, especially in the corners. 4. Incompatible with the fingerprint sensor. The sensor stopped working. 5. The screen protector gets dirty very quickly and is difficult to clean. Not satisfied. Finally, we move on to the triple screen protector pack from Supershieldz. This product stands out with its 9 hours hardness and 99.99% HD clarity. Your phone's screen will always be safe thanks to its tempered glass that provides maximum scratch protection. In addition, the hydrophobic and oleophobic coating reduces perspiration and fingerprints, keeping your screen always clean. Moreover, it leaves no residue behind when removed. Positive reviews. 1. This is a great protective set for the price. The screen protector is very durable and effective against scratches. 2. Protects touch sensitivity and very simple to install. Very satisfied. 3. The triple pack is a great advantage. I also have spares. Glass quality is quite good. 4. Installation was very easy. No bubbles. My phone is very well protected. 5. The screen protector is really clear. It feels like there is no protector. Negative. Reviews. 1. The screen protector cracked quickly. Durability was below my expectations. 2. It didn't fit well on the edges and dust started to accumulate over time. 3. Touch sensitivity has decreased slightly. The bottom of the screen is sometimes unresponsive. 4. It leaves fingerprints and is difficult to clean. I did not find the quality sufficient. 5. The box contents were not exactly as described. There were missing parts. We know how important it is to protect your phone, so with these great products, you can use your Pixel 6a with confidence. They've been compiled to objectively reflect the pros and cons of each product. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.